I've been working on the square using the crochet ripple stitch. This is a easy 1-row repeat pattern. We will be using double crochets and front post single crochet. If you're familiar with the front post double crochet, it's basically the same thing except for you're working with a single crochet. We're going to be working into chain 3 spaces. If you haven't done that before, this is a good stitch to learn on because it is an easy stitch pattern. So let's get started. Start with a chain that's multiples of 4 plus 2. For row 1, starting in the second chain from hook, we're going to single crochet across. So single crochet into that second chain from hook and into each chain until the end of the row. When you reach the end of that row of single crochets, chain 1 and turn. For row 2, we're going to start by working 3 double crochets into the first stitch. So this stitch right here, we're going to work 3 double crochets into that stitch. So after those 3 double crochet, this is where our pattern repeat starts. You're going to skip the next 3 stitches. So skip these 3 stitches. In the next stitch, you're going to work a single crochet. Now chain 3. And into the same stitch that you worked the single crochet, right here, you're going to work 3 double crochet, all into that same stitch. And that's it. So you're going to repeat the start of the pattern repeat. So you're going to skip the next 3 stitches, and in the next stitch, you're going to work a single crochet. And then you're going to do your chain 3 and work your double crochets all into that same stitch that you just worked your single crochet into. And you're just going to repeat that all the way down the row. At the end of the row, you should have 4 stitches remaining. You're going to skip the last 3 stitches, and in the 4th and very final stitch, you're going to work a single crochet. This is what she should be looking like, and then you're going to chain 1 and turn. Row 3 is the row that you will repeat for the rest of the pattern. So you're going to work 3 double crochet into the first stitch here. Now here's where your pattern repeat starts. You see how you have this cluster of 3 double crochet? You're going to work a front post single crochet around the 3rd double crochet. So insert your hook from front to back, and then from back to front so that you create a post out of this double crochet. Yarn over, pull through that post, and yarn over, and pull through those last 2 loops. So you're working a single crochet, but around the stitch instead of into the top of it. And now you see how we have all these chain 3 spaces that we made in the previous row? We're going to work into them next, but first, chain 3. And now into this chain 3 space, you're going to work 3 double crochet. So now you're back to the beginning of your pattern repeat. So you're back to a cluster of 3 double crochets. Into the 3rd one, you're going to work your front post single crochet, chain 3, and work your 3 double crochet into the next chain 3 space. Repeat that all the way down the row, and when you reach the end, you should have 3 stitches remaining, and you're going to single crochet in the top of the last stitch. That is row 3, and that's what you will be repeating for the rest of the pattern. Thank you so much for following along with me. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and you can subscribe to my channel for more knitting and crochet content every week.